Hi, welcome to a short PerkinElmer video on how to maintain your high-performance Pinnacle AA system. I'm Aaron Heineman, and in this video, I'll show you how to clean the contact cylinders on the Pinnacle 900T THGA furnace. This is also applicable to the HGA style furnace on the 900H. Whenever you replace the graphite tube in the furnace system, we recommend that you use simple cleaning procedure to remove any loosened carbon, condensed sample matrix, or condensed matrix modifier from the contact cylinders. When high concentrations of matrix modifier are used or samples with high matrix concentrations are analyzed, deposits may build up in the contact cylinders after an extended period. Cleaning the contact cylinders periodically will ensure reproducible contact between the tube and the cylinders and increase their useful life considerably. As far as supplies, you'll need some swabs, 1 to 2% nitric acid solution, some isopropyl alcohol or methanol will work. In addition, some compressed gas and some wipes will be useful as well. To start, you'll need to open the furnace in the software and remove the graphite tube. Remove the graphite tube with the graphite tube clip and put it aside. Next, you will take the compressed cylinder of gas and blow out the contacts. Get any loose particulate out of there. Next, we'll use a swab that is slightly wetted with the dilute nitric acid solution to clean the contact surfaces. If your swab is overly wet, then damp off the excess with a wipe. Using this clean, wetted swab, clean the inside of both of the contacts, especially around the apertures where the radiation beam enters and exits, as well as the dosing hole area. Frequently, the deposits can be removed using the simple clean-out procedure that I just described. If, however, by following this procedure, you're not able to remove a deposit, or the samples contain a lot of organics, use a swab wetted with alcohol. This is performed using the exact same procedure as shown, paying attention to the beam entrance as well as the dosing hole area. During this procedure, be careful not to scratch any of the inner surfaces of the contacts. And then, before reinserting the graphite tube, ensure everything is fully dry. To insert the graphite tube, we open up the graphite furnace, insert the graphite tube, and run a conditioning step to clean out any residuals. If you have used alcohol, do this carefully and slowly. In the software, we will open up the furnace control, the furnace control tab, and condition tube button. I recommend that you run the graphite tube conditioning program every time that you change the graphite tube. The conditioning procedure removes adsorbed gases and surface contamination from the graphite and ensures reproducible performance. Now that you've cleaned your contact cylinders and replaced the tube, check the tube for contamination of your element of interest. If the tube is contaminated, you may want to discard it or use it for another element. However, there may be stubborn deposits, so you may want to replace it with a new tube. Your instrument manual, these how-to videos, are great resources for learning how to maintain your Pinnacle AA. For additional information and more in-depth training, please reach out to your local PerkinElmer representative. Thank you.